First time buyers, investors, welcome to Swansea Road. Are you looking for a refurbished 2-bedroom Victorian charmer in a superb location? Well, this one behind me is just that. I'm going to share with you my 5 reasons why I love this home. Before we head inside, number 1 has to be its location. You are 10 minutes from Reading town, 10 minutes from the station, 5 minutes from the Thames. Just imagine waking up on a Sunday morning and within 5 minutes you are here at the River Thames, taking it all in. Absolutely beautiful. And you've got local shops here for all of your amenities. Let's go in and we'll take a look at number 2. So number 2 is the fact that the owner has put in tens and tens of thousands of pounds into this refurb with a new front door, a brand new roof, freshly painted, freshly plastered, and you've got a brand new fuse board as well. So lots and lots of things ticked off your list. And number 3, in this Victorian beauty, the bathroom is upstairs. If you want character and charm, number 4 is for you. You've got these beautiful fireplaces, you've got this bay window throwing loads of light into this space, and the decorative features as well. Number 5 has to be the fact that all of the searches have been applied for. So on the 24th of December, they'll be back. So if you are looking for a January move, this one is definitely on the cards. So if you see this as your next home, do get in touch with the team quickly. We can't wait to meet you here at Swansea Road.